Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best small whiteboard is probably one of the most versatile tools for brainstorming, planning, and quick notes, offering a clean slate for your ideas that can be easily erased and reused, making it an indispensable item for students, professionals, and anyone who needs a dynamic way to visualize information or jot down fleeting thoughts without the clutter of paper. Number 5. Maxtek Magnetic Portable Tripod Whiteboard 36 by 24. This whiteboard features a sturdy steel pipe tripod with rubber feet, ensuring it stands firmly while you write or erase. Its collapsible and lightweight design makes it easy to move for versatile use. Easily adjust the height between 42 and 63 inches using the scale markings on the legs. This allows for a comfortable writing or presenting experience whether you're sitting or standing, for kids or adults. The surface is treated with a durable, anti-scratch finish that's easy to dry wipe. It provides high-contrast markings, making your communication and presentations more effective. Get everything you need to start right away. It includes flip chart hooks, a magnetic eraser, pens, magnets, and a convenient tray for your writing supplies. We've enhanced the packaging with a reinforced box, corner protectors, and foam padding. This ensures your whiteboard arrives safely, free from shipping damage. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you encounter any issues with our product, please don't hesitate to contact us at any time. What we like? This whiteboard offers exceptional stability with its tripod stand and rubber feet, ensuring it won't budge while you write. The adjustable height makes it comfortable for everyone, from kids to adults. If you need a versatile and robust option for presentations, teaching, or brainstorming sessions in an office or classroom, this is the one for you. What people say. Sturdy, good for writing on and erasing, with good quality markers. It was easy to assemble and it seems to be a very high quality. I highly recommend it to anyone for the convenience of the attached adjustable tripod and magnetic ability. Number 4. GMAOPHY 16 in X12 in Magnetic Desktop Whiteboard. This double-sided dry erase board offers maximized writing space, perfect for managing multiple projects or for small group teaching and home study. Its portability allows you to easily move it from room to room. This large 16 by 12 inch whiteboard set is a super value pack. It includes 10 magnetic dry erase markers, for magnetic pieces, a dry eraser, and a marker holder, making it a comprehensive tool for any setting. This portable magnetic whiteboard features a stand for versatile placement. It can lay flat, hang on a wall, or stand on a desk, offering a stable and adjustable viewing angle for any use. Enjoy a smooth and sturdy writing surface that's easy to write on and even easier to wipe clean without leaving stains. This double-sided board ensures you always have ample space for your thoughts. This hangable dry erase board is an ideal gift for home or office. It's perfect for use as a calendar, a learning tool for students, or to enhance creativity and practice skills. It's suitable for ages 15 plus. Its great size makes it suitable for office desks, study tables, bedside tables, and kitchen counters. The portable design allows you to easily change its placement wherever you need it. What we like? Maximize your writing space with this double-sided desktop whiteboard, perfect for managing multiple projects or tasks simultaneously. It's incredibly portable and comes with a generous pack of markers, magnets, and an eraser. If you're a student, teacher, or professional looking for a compact and feature-rich solution for quick notes, to-do lists, or small group teaching, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The whiteboard is a good size for my desk and easy to clean. It's sturdy and doesn't wobble, even when I'm writing on it. The stand is adjustable, so I can set it at the perfect angle. Number 3. ARCOBIS 10 Magnetic Whiteboard. Experience a smooth and durable writing surface that's incredibly easy to wipe clean. This board always stays white and readable, letting you write and erase effortlessly. Its sleek, compact size saves valuable desk space, making it perfect for any setting. Weighing as little as 2 phones, it's easy to move wherever you need it. Maximize your writing space with the double-sided design, perfect for managing multiple projects or lists. The magnetic surface also keeps your accessories conveniently at hand. With a 360 degrees adjustable knob, you can use it flat, on a desk, or even mounted on a wall. It adapts to your needs, whether for notes, math practice, or planning. The packaging for this product is made from FSC certified wood, ensuring a commitment to sustainability. Give the gift of better organization and paperless teaching. It's designed to simplify daily life, reduce stress, and bring more happiness. What we like. This compact 10 by 10 inch whiteboard is designed to save space while offering double the writing area. Its magnetic surface and versatile stand allow for easy use in various configurations, from desk display to wall mounting. If you need a small, efficient whiteboard for quick notes, reminders, or planning in a tight space like a dorm room or small office, this is ideal. What people say. It comes clean really easily and has been a huge help to his learning time. The markets are nice because they have a fine point. The double-sided aspect is nice for various uses if needing to keep notes but not wanting to have to erase all your current work, just flip it over and start writing drawing. Number 2. iNenya Portable Whiteboard 8.5 by 11. Introducing a uniquely designed portable whiteboard. Its compact A4 size and lightweight build make it incredibly easy to carry, fitting perfectly into your bag for on-the-go use. This smart whiteboard is reusable and compatible with OCR apps, transforming it into a digital notebook. It also features a convenient stand function for desktop use or can be held easily. Experience smooth writing on its ultra-smooth coating surface, which is also scratch-resistant. Wiping it clean is effortless, leaving no stains behind. This stylish and versatile tool is an ideal gift for colleagues, teachers, students, and kids. It's perfect for various settings like home, school, office, and even game rooms. When you purchase this item, you will receive one 8.5 by 11 inch whiteboard and one dry erase marker. What we like. Experience the unique notebook-style design of this portable whiteboard, making it incredibly easy to carry and use on the go. It's compatible with OCR apps, turning your notes into digital files, and features a built-in stand. If you're a student, traveler, or professional who values portability, digital integration, and a stylish way to take notes, this smart reusable whiteboard is perfect for you. What people say. Very portable. The cover was nice, the magnetic part was great. It's perfectly sized to throw in my laptop bag with me, and easy to carry around with me while I'm working. Number 1. Acrylic black dry erase board with stand. Crafted from durable 3mm thick acrylic, this board is built to last. It's a reusable and practical choice, offering a sustainable alternative to disposable notes and helping you save paper. Enjoy a smooth writing experience on both sides, with easy erasing. The included marker features a reversible tip, and the frameless design ensures maximum visibility for your messages and to-do lists. Set it up your way with the included beechwood stand, allowing for vertical or angled display. It also comes with magnetic accessories for convenient placement on refrigerators or file cabinets. Perfect for home, office, or even a bar, this versatile board serves as a notepad, reminder, menu, or planner. It adapts to your needs, making it ideal for various settings and uses. Each set includes the board, a wooden base, a liquid chalk marker, a magnetic clip, and 2 button magnets. It's available in 2 convenient sizes to suit your specific requirements. What we like. Crafted from premium 3mm thick acrylic, this frameless dry erase board offers a sleek and durable writing surface. It comes with a sturdy beechwood stand and can also be mounted magnetically. If you're looking for a stylish and practical solution for your office, home, or even a bar for menus or messages, this reusable board offers a premium feel and versatile display options. What people say. Love that it included a chalk marker, great quality and stands sturdy. Looks amazing on my desk. The liquid chalk writes smooth on the board surface and cleans easily with a dry tissue. It has an elegant look and feel. The markers write nicely and it does dry fairly quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.